Om Swastiastu. Hello everybody. Thank you for the chance given to me. Firstly, I want to introduce myself. My name is Inyaman Budayana from Mathematics Department, Universitas Pendidikan Ganesha. In this event, Icon Smart, I would like to present our research about graceful labeling for variation of chain graph. Okay, let's begin the presentation. Graph theory is one of the subject in mathematics. It has a lot of application to solve our problem. One of the topic in graph theory is graph labeling. A labeling is a mapping that carries a set of graph elements into a set of integers. There is a various type of graph labeling such as magic labeling, anti-magic labeling, graceful labeling, harmonious labeling, cordial labeling, and other type of graph labeling. In this presentation, our focus is graceful labeling. Graceful labeling is firstly introduced by Alex Rosa, and in a dynamic survey of graph labeling by Joseph Pagalian, there is a lot of type of graph that is already known as graceful labeling. And then we will discuss about graceful labeling. What is graceful labeling? Graceful labeling of a graph with m edges is a one-to-one function f from vertex of G to a set of number 0 until m such that the index function f star from edges to the set of integer 1 until m, which is defined by the difference of each incident vertex label, is a bijection. And this is the example of graph labeling in graph. And then we will discuss about the variation of chain graph. In this result, the variation of chain graph SKJC663 SM is a graph that is consists of three main graphs, that is SK star with K pendant, and then the second part is a chain of 2P cycle with chord C63, and then the last is star with M pendant. Because we discussed about a graceful labeling, we must know how many edges that this graph has. Okay, we can see the number of edges. It is 18p plus k plus m plus 2. In this result, we have a result that this variation of chain graph is graceful. How we get this conclusion? First, we find a graceful labeling for the Asian case, that is for a small value of k, p, and m. Second, we're looking for a pattern. Third, we construct the function and then we prove it. This is the example of first step. It's a graceful labeling for the Azure case. For this graceful labeling, we're looking for a pattern and then we get the function as follows. From this function, we prove this function is graceful labeling. That is, first we must prove that the vertex labeling is an injection, and the index function of edges labeling is a bijection. This is a proof for the vertex labeling. See the part of labels. The used label is all different. Every vertex has different label, and the label is from 0 until 2 plus 18p plus m plus k. So this is a injection or one-to-one function. The second part is for the edges labeling. In this table, we can see that every edges have different level, and the level is from 1 until 2 plus 18p plus k plus m. So this is a bijection because every edge has different level. So we get conclusion that a variation of chain graph as k chain of 2p C63 SM is a graceful graph. And for our future research, we will construct graceful labeling for another variation of chain graph. For example, generate the cycle or use the union of variation of chain graph. Okay, that's the presentation about our research. Thank you for the time.